to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the IPSY Glam Bag for September 2020. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to come hang out with me for a while today. If you have not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button. Also, please give this video a thumbs up. So, the IPSY Glam Bag for September 2020. For those who are not familiar, IPSY is a monthly subscription. You receive a bag with a mix of makeup, hair care, skin care, nail products, and there are 3 options or levels within the IPSY system. There is the IPSY Glam Bag, which we're opening today, and that's $12 a month. You receive 5 deluxe size samples in a makeup bag. You have an option to choose one item, and they say you'll have a value of more than $50. Next level up is the Glam Bag Plus, which is $25 a month. You receive 5 full-size items. In a drawstring bag, you have the option to customize 3 of those items, and they say your value will be $120 or more. And then the big guy, that's the IPSY Glam Bag Ultimate. That's $50 a month. You get 8 full-size products plus 4 deluxe size samples. You have an option to customize 1 of your full-size products, and the value, they say, will be $250 or more. So today, again, we are going to be opening the September 2020 Glam Bag, the base $12 a month. I do also have one add-on, only one. I did good this time. So let's pull out the bag first. I did see what is going to be in it, but I haven't opened it, so I haven't seen colors or sizes or anything like that. I just got a rundown of the products, so I could do a little research if I needed to give you guys more information. So this is this month's bag. It is corduroy, the same corduroy that was in the drawstring bags from the IPSY Plus, if you've seen that, but it is 2-sided. We have sort of a mustard yellow or gold and the cranberry, I guess you would call it, on this side. Very fall. My first thought seeing it is, you know, Gryffindor Hufflepuff. It's not quite a Hufflepuff yellow, but anyway. So it's a cute little bag. It does have this little leatherette tag on it that does say IPSY. First, we have the card. Again, same as with the premium. Our theme this month is good vibes, and I've seen this in other videos. I'm very excited that we now have our products back inside, along with what the price would be of a full-size item. That can be very helpful. I've already got that information, so we're going to put this off to the side for now. If you hear noises, I have a cat who has decided that when I'm filming, I must be talking to him. I forgot to close the gate to keep him out, although he could jump over it, so he may try and make his way into the video like he did with my last one. Anyway, our first product is from Benefit Cosmetics, and it is the Professional Hydrating Primer. And again, this is, oh, hi Brody, that's Brody. Here we go again. It is a hydrating face primer to minimize the look of pores, moisturizes and refreshes the skin, and leaves a natural finish. A full size of this would be 22 milliliters, retail for $32. This is a 3 milliliter. I'm just going to open it up so you can see. Little itty bitty guy. I mean, just spare it, Benefit. When they say sample size, they mean sample. This is not a travel size. This is a mini sample. But this is 3 milliliters, and on the basis of the full size being $32, that would make this 3 milliliter sample worth about $4.36. Okay, our next product is from Male Beauty, and it is the Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips, and this is in the color Berry. They say this moisturizing lip tint gives color, cushion, and shine with a non-stick finish that'll leave you wanting more, and it's perfect to either wear alone or layer over a lipstick. A full size would be 2.94 grams and retail for $9. So this deluxe size sample, which is 1.6 grams, would have a value of about $4.90. So this is a little over half the size. I do wear a lot of berries in the fall, and so I'm very interested in trying that. Okay, our third product is from PYT Beauty, and it's this. It is the Day to Night eyeshadow, and they say we have the cool mini quad. I can't imagine that this little thing is going to be a quad. I would have thought this was a single shadow, but okay. I won't tell you the description before we open it up because I may laugh too hard. It is a set of 4 cool tone shadows that will take you from day to night with ease. This does not appear to be sold as a quad, so this packaging may be exclusive for IPSY. And here it is. There is a mirror in the top, and then we've got the 4 shadows here. Anyway, as I said, they don't appear to sell this as a quad, so this may be an exclusive for IPSY. They do have a day to night eyeshadow palette, or a pair of them, one in cool and one in warm. Those include 8 shades. They retail for $32. They're about a half an ounce per the Amazon website. Looks like this is about 7.3 grams, which would give it a value of $16.49. That's amazing, but that's what it is. So that's the PYT Beauty Day to Night Eyeshadow Cool Mini Quad. Okay, our next product is from Pacifica Beauty, and it is the Desert Sunset Matte Blush and Bronze Duo. And they say this is 100% vegan and cruelty-free. The shades in here are Sunset Matte and Desert Matte, so clearly this is a matte duo. Let's open it up. They say bronzer has a matte finish, makes it great for NYX and shine on extra hot and humid days. And the blush will leave you with a natural looking rosy finish. And here it is. On the back there is a mirror, which is really cool for a little product like this. And it's really kind of pretty packaging. This duo, again, doesn't appear to be sold, so it may be exclusive for IPSY. These 2 shades are part of their A Lighten Natural Radiance Powders palette, which is a face palette with 4 shades, including these 2 plus 2 shimmers. The face palette is $18 and is about 0.5 ounces. This is 8 grams, which, if you do the math, works out to be a value of about $10.16. So these are not really shades that I would use. They're very warm and very peachy. I tend to be a pink and berry person, not really a peach person. These warm colors just don't make me happy, especially not this time of year. So this will likely be going in a giveaway. Okay, and our next product is from Real Her, and it is a highlighter, and the shade is Confidence in My Glow. Now, according to their website, they said that Confidence in My Glow is a perfect glow for olive complexions and offers a warm rose gold and a radiant afterglow. I obviously do not have an olive complexion, so that scares me a little bit, but we'll take a look. Here's the packaging. Once you get it out of the box, it's marbleized like the box with rose gold lettering. It's very pretty. A full size of this would be 9 grams and retail for $25. And here's the inside. There's a little mirror there, and there's the color. Very, very pretty. Would not be something I would use as a highlighter, but certainly could be an eyeshadow. We'll see. I will decide whether I'm going to keep it or put it in a giveaway. This is a 2.5 gram sample, And based on that retail value of $25 for the full size, this would have a value of $6.95. Okay, I did get one item in the add-ons, only one, that's pretty good for me. From Beauty Blender, it is the Bounce Liquid Whip Longwear Foundation. And this is a weightless, buildable, full coverage foundation. It gives you a natural matte finish that wears for up to 24 hours. Gives you a bare skin feel, but completely full coverage. Silky smooth formula developed with an exclusive high-speed hyper whip process that whisks it into a light as air texture for unparalleled blendability. It is available in 40 shades, which is pretty impressive. And mine is in the shade 120C. I was very happy to see that they had the exact shade that, according to shade matchers with foundations that I currently wear, this is the shade that they said I should match, so I'm hopeful. It does look a little bit warm, but we'll see. It is a 1.20C. It should be cool, so hopefully it's just the way it looks in the container. IPSY was only offering a handful of shades, but thankfully the one that I matched to was one of them. This is a full size, and if you haven't seen this before, there are two things to note here. We have this little depression here in the front. That's for resting your Beauty Blender on, which I think is kind of cool. And also here on the back, if you hit this switch, then you can pump out the foundation, which I'm not going to do right now, but if you flip this closed, then this doesn't press down, you can't pump out the foundation. So you can still use the top of this for your Beauty Blender or whatever, or even like traveling with it. You don't have to worry about it depressing and expelling foundation when you don't want it to, because there is a little stopper switch at the back. So as I said, this is the full size, and it retails for $40. It is 1 fluid ounce or 30 milliliters. So at $40 retail price, the add-on price was $18, which is a 55% discount. I'm pretty excited about that. Okay, let's go back and review the bag. We had from Benefit Cosmetics the Itty Bitty Professional Hydrate Primer, from Male Beauty the Clearly Brilliant Tint for Lips in Berry, from PYT the Day to Night Eyeshadow Quad, from Pacifica Beauty the Desert Sunset Matte Blush and Bronze Duo, and from Real Her the Confidence in My Glow Highlighter. Now, of those items, honestly, the only one I'm particularly excited about or interested in is the Male Beauty Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips in Berry. The other ones either are too warm or just not really something I'm interested in. I kind of have them already, or they're not really something I'm going to reach for. So I think pretty much all the other ones, with the exception of the add-on, are going to end up in giveaways. But let's talk about the retail value. This subscription is supposed to be $50 or more, and by my calculation, the retail value of the products we got in this bag is $42.86. So unless they're including the bag in that $50 value, they didn't hit it this month. That, or they're really cranking up the price on the minis so that they're not calculating it based on the price of a full size. So either way, I'm not particularly happy. But I did get the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation, and so the total value with my add-on came to $82.86. I paid $12 for the bag and then $18 for the add-on, so that was $30. So for $30, I got $82.86 worth of product, so it's about a 64% discount. So I guess I can't be unhappy with that, and we do have some products for the giveaway that I'm sure some people are going to love. They're just not ones that I'm particularly interested in. So that's the thing about subscription boxes and mystery bags. It's sort of a gamble. You never know what you're going to get. So this month Wasn't really my month, but it's okay. So that's it. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button. It really does help the channel, helps me get this video into the YouTube algorithm so maybe other people can find it. While you're down there, if you haven't done it already, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you come and hang out with me again. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram info is down in the description box. And thank you for hanging out with me and Brody here today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself and to others, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.